Do you guys see the handwritten chord progression? On the top it says Shake It Off by Taylor Swift. And the first chord, as you can see there, it says A minor, and the notes below it from down to up go A, C, E. That is thumb, middle, pinky. A, C, E. You'll see my cursor circling those three notes in the image right now. So thumb here on A, middle here, and pinky here. And that's going to make a A minor chord. And on top of that, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a line, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, another line, 1, 2, 3, 4, another line. So what that signifies is that most music is based on a 4 count, which is those 4 numbers you see there. You may have seen when people play live, the singer or the drummer will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the band starts. So all music, not all music, but most music is based on this 4 count, right? So what this signifies here is that each line represents the end of a 4 count. So it goes A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, 1, 2, 3, 4. G major again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's skip ahead really quick just so I can show you how they all sound together, and then we'll break it down slowly. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, another G, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. So the song's really slow. That's the actual tempo, maybe a little slower. So it's not too hectic, and that's why I like to start with this one. So if you have your thumb, middle, and pinky fingers already on A, C, and E, to move to C major, if you notice right here, C and E stay the same. So your middle finger and your pinky finger aren't going to move at all. Only the thumb is going to go from A down to a G, which if you look at the keyboard, they're right next to each other. This is our A here, and this is our G here. A down to G. These two fingers stay the same. So it would go, that's the A chord. These are going to stay the same, but our thumb is going to go down to G. So once again, back to the page here. A minor goes A, C, E, and then the C major goes G, C, E. So 2 notes are common, 1 note moves, which is the note you're playing with your thumb. By the way, when I'm giving you fingerings, it's all for the right hand. We're not doing the left hand just yet. So A, C, E goes thumb, middle, pinky, and then C major becomes G, C, E, which is thumb, middle, pinky, but the thumb came down 1 note. Let me play that for you. And now this thumb moves